Okay, so today I'd like to show you one of our latest CNC plasma cutting machines before it leaves our workshop and heads off to its new owner. Over the last few weeks, we've been redesigning, building, wiring and commissioning this machine. And today I'm going to show you some of the key features and explain why we've designed some of the features the way we have. So this is one of our latest Bluemotion CNC plasma machines, designed and manufactured here in Cork, Ireland. Our goal with every machine we build is simple: produce a machine that's accurate, reliable, easy to operate and is priced correctly. We also design every machine with servicing and long-term reliability in mind, because we know our customers depend on these machines every day. That's why we've partnered with Hypertherm, and we exclusively use Hypertherm controls and plasma sources in all of our machines. Everything starts with the machine structure. A rigid machine frame is essential because accuracy begins with the foundation. A stable platform helps maintain cut quality over the life of the machine. We've kept the overall layout clean and accessible for easier servicing. The motion system is responsible for positioning the torch accurately across the table. Every component has been selected to provide smooth motion, repeatable accuracy and reliable performance. Every machine is fully commissioned and tested before it leaves our workshop. At the heart of the machine is the Hypertherm plasma system. Hypertherm are the world leader in plasma cutting systems. That's why we've partnered with them and integrated their plasma systems and also their plasma controls in our machines. We offer plasma systems from 45 amps up to 460 amps. This allows a cutting range in mild steel from 1 millimeter all the way up to 64 millimeters in mild steel with the plasma cutting process. We've also incorporated our collision detection system to help protect the torch assembly if an unexpected collision occurs. The operator interface is designed to be straightforward and easy to use. Whether you're loading programs, setting up jobs, or running production, we want operators to feel comfortable using the machine from day one. Now let's see the machine doing exactly what it was designed to do. Okay, so here I'm going to show how easy it is to cut. I've got a DXF inside in the USB stick here. I'm going to insert that just right here. I'm going to go to Shape Manager, ProNest, Add Part. I'm going to find my DXF. I'm going to open it. I want to do 22 of these parts. I'm going to set my sheet size, which is 3 meters by 1500 millimeters. I'm going to set my material, which is mild steel, 6 millimeters, and it's already given me my 125 amps consumables. And I just simply hit Nest. It's going to apply shortcut technology. Now you can see the nest preview if I hit OK. Now you can see the nest and we're ready to go. In this situation I'm going to zero the machine next. So I'm going to use my joystick here and I can bring the machine down into the corner. And I'm going to use the speed control to bring my speed down so I can get right close into the corner. Okay, when I'm in my position and I'm happy to go, I can hit OK. I can hit 0 positions, and at that point I'm ready to go. Now we're ready to go. I'm going to hit Start. Ready to start cutting, yes. Okay, so we're now here beside the machine and I want to outline some of the exciting new features we've added on the machines as standard. So as you can see, the height underneath the bridge down to the bed is after being made much larger. So now it's about 380 millimeters of clearance. This allows for the processing of sheets, but also now the processing of some profiles. So for example, if you wanted to put a 300 millimeter box section and you wanted to do some profiling on the top of that box section, this machine allows it. Most of our competition in this price bracket generally have a clearance height of about half of this, and it does not allow for the convenient processing of beams or larger profiles. So that's one of the features we're after adding, and this is a standard feature that we're after adding on this machine. Another feature I'd like to mention is our Hypertherm motion control. So here we've got a large touchscreen with our Hypertherm Edge Connect motion control. We've also got some hard controls like our joysticks and our speed controls and some more. This means we can operate the machine with wet, dirty hands right here. We can move the machine to its start point, we can press start, and we can reference the machine without touching the touchscreen. If you do want to do some drawing or some nesting and you want to use a mouse and a keyboard, you can just pull this drawer out. You've got keyboard, you've got a mouse, you can do your nesting, you can do your more advanced drawing and such. And when you're finished, close this back in. Your keyboard and mouse are now protected from the dust and the sparks and everything else, and you can operate the machine fully with the touch screen and the hard controls. That's a huge advantage, and we found it to be much more productive when you're running the machine. Also, the ergonomics of the machine are hugely improved.